Hey guys, I'm Kawa from the Musa Store, and in part 5 of our weapons malfunctions, we're going to cover a bulged round. A bulged round can happen with both rifles and pistols. When this happens, the casing overexpands, which causes your bolt or slide to remain stuck in the forward position. This is a rare encounter, but when it happens, the fix can be easy. For pistols, clamp the slide with your support hand, and with your strong hand, give the frame of the pistol a good slam forward. Once or twice of this should jolt that expander casing free, or at least free your extractor to allow the slide to rack back. For rifles, place the weapon on safe, point in a safe direction, remove the source of feed, and collapse the buttstock. From there, grab your charging handle and hold it to the rear, and with both hands, give the rifle a sturdy slam to the ground, making sure you strike flush with the buttstock as to not damage or break your buttstock. Alright guys, that wraps up our malfunctions videos. We hope you enjoyed these and share them with your friends and family so that we can all be better educated and a stronger community.